Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be experiment number 6, I do believe. This is going to be another subscriber suggestion video. Same subscriber, Cassandra Lynn. So thank you, girl. This also has to do with spider gel. If you guys didn't see this experiment here that she suggested, please go check it out. It was really fun. It worked like a charm, and I just absolutely love the way they look. But like I said, in this video we're going to be using spider gel, but only one color, white. Now I have 2 whites, and I'm going to use my Venalisa. You're also going to need some kind of pigments. You can use eyeshadow pigment. You can use regular pigment. You can use color changing pigment, which would be really cool. I didn't think of that. You could use glow in the dark pigment. Any kind of pigment you want to use, guys, you can use them. I do have a thermal pigment here that changes from this color to black, so we can use a little bit of that just to experiment with as well. I've already got 3 colors mixed, so what I did was I took a tiny bit of spider gel and I've mixed it with green, blue, and neon yellow. I've got a neon pink here set aside to mix with you guys, and now we're going to mix a color changing. This pigment is from solarcolordust.com, I believe. You don't need a whole lot of pigment. solarcolordust.com. This is where I got it. This one is the vanilla to black. Just a tiny bit of spider gel like this, and I'm gonna break the seal. It's kind of hard to break it, but eventually it comes apart. You break it like that. You're gonna tap it and you're gonna lay it down, and you're just gonna keep pulling it to get it off the spoon or whatever it is you're mixing. And then you're just going to mix that gel in and mix. Now, I've never saw anybody do this, so if I've come up with something, guys, let me know. Actually, I didn't come up with it. Cassandra did. So, Cassandra Lynn, girl, I told you you should make videos because you got some really awesome ideas. And if any of you other subscriber friends have any ideas at all, let me know. If I try them, you will get a shout out in my subscriber suggestion series. So this will be my subscriber suggestion series number 2. Now, I have done plenty of subscriber videos in the past where I've, done what you've asked me to do, but never made it a series. So I thought, hey, this would be cool. Maybe more of you will start commenting and, give me some more suggestions. So let's dip into the blue. And as you can see, it's spider gel. It's just as stringy. Now, you are going to want to make sure that you stir it up really well, because you don't want those pigments to not mix. You want those to mix really well in your gel. It's just like mixing a pigment with a regular gel. No different, it's just in spider gel. Okay, so then you're just going to start putting on your color. And it still works the exact same way. Okay. I'm going to go in with all colors now, guys. We're going to go in with the green next. Alright, let's turn it this way. Let's go in with the color changing. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but we're gonna find out. It's supposed to go to a black, so we'll see. want to put a thick line of this one in there. Alright. Make sure you clean your brush in between each one. Let's go in with the pink. Now, of course, certain colors are going to be more dominant. You don't have to use every color. You can use one color, two colors. And lastly, the yellow. Alright, and there we have a colored spider gel nail. I'm going to go ahead and fully cure that. Alright. Alright, so now that we have our nail, what you could do is just go ahead, you don't have to top coat it if you don't want to. All you got to do is take your alcohol and wipe it clean. And now you can add gems or just whatever, but what I want to do is see if that color changing spider gel changes colors. So let me go get some cold and hot water and I'll be right back. And as you can see, it is now black. See the black lines? Well, it's more gray than black, but all you got to do about that is just add more pigment to make it more pigmented. Alright, so there's another experiment. Thank you to Cassandra Lynn again. And this is my second subscriber suggestion video. Experiment number 6, I do believe. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you do this, let me know. Give me a shout out in one of your videos. I would highly appreciate it. I'm not sure if anybody else has done this yet, but if not, yay! How exciting, how exciting. So cool. I think it's a great way to make different colored spider gels without having to go buy a bunch of different colors. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up for experimentation and nail looks, or experimenting with nails. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click on the notification bell so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, if you guys have any experiments that you would like me to do, please list it down below. I'm still planning on doing the après gel hack, which is, a lot of people call it a press system, but it is a après. That's how they say it in French. So yeah, stay tuned for that because a subscriber of mine also requested that video. Alright guys, have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.